I thought I had it figured out, believed in us, we were meant to be, no doubt. A teenage love, everybody else could see the way we were, living in a fantasy. When I kiss her, I don't know where we're going, I don't know at all. I don't know how we're going, I'll be moving on, I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go, living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. Don't do it all alone. Sorry for the heartache of saying goodbye, for wasting your time, for wasting your time. I don't know how we're growing, I'll be moving on, I'll be moving on. Gotta let it go, living on my own, making me strong. Now I wanna show I can hold my own. See how much I've grown. Better off alone, baby. Don't do it all alone.
I've been trying to fight the demons in my mind. I'll prevail with every battle if I'm right. Guess my aim was off, the target's out of sight. Would I be better if I left it all behind? 'Cause we can